Day 1 of 75 hard. 1.5 hours of Muay Thai today. I felt sluggish. The last days I overate, saying goodbye to comfort food. But discipline means showing up no matter how you feel. Hydration is non-negotiable. 4 liters a day, every hour, every round. I'm water fasting to kick off the challenge. Fasting pushes the body into ketosis, burning fat for fuel instead of sugar. The benefits? Mental clarity, fat loss, and stronger discipline. This is my starting point. Day 1, 85.8 kilos, 24% body fat. From here, the journey begins. Day 1 wasn't just physical, it was mental. Today reminded me, discipline beats comfort. Letting go of old habits. Day 1 complete. Subscribe and follow the journey. Let's go!